Most men spend their entire lives trying to impress women with money, looks, muscles, fancy cars, perfect outfits, and yet they miss the one thing that actually matters. They don't realize that attraction isn't built with lifestyle. It's built with language, with specific words that touch a woman's emotions, her sense of connection, her feeling of being seen, understood, and valued. And what's even more surprising is that you don't need paragraphs, speeches, or rehearsed lines. You don't need to act like someone else. You don't need to become a different man. In fact, everything you need is hidden in 5 simple words. 5 words that instantly influence a woman's subconscious mind, activate emotional chemistry, and make her feel drawn toward you in a way she can't logically explain. Words that make her feel safe, appreciated, respected, and emotionally comfortable around you. Words that subtly signal confidence without arrogance, strength without aggressiveness, and intention without desperation. Most men never use these words. They either become too shy, too nervous, too afraid of saying the wrong thing, or they end up overthinking every single moment. And because of that hesitation, they unknowingly push women away rather than bringing them closer. But here's the truth. Psychology keeps proving again and again. Women don't fall for men based on logic. They fall based on emotional resonance. They fall for the man who knows how to speak in a way that touches their inner world. They fall for the man who makes them feel alive, valued, and emotionally awakened. And the moment you master these 5 words, something interesting happens. A woman starts paying attention differently. Her body language changes. Her eyes soften. Her tone becomes warmer. Her walls slowly come down. And her attraction naturally rises, not because she decides to like you, but because she feels something when you speak. Not manipulation, not trickery, just the psychology of connection expressed in 5 words that most men never think to say. So, if you've ever wondered why some men effortlessly attract women while others struggle for even basic attention, if you've ever felt confused by mixed signals, if you've ever wished you knew what actually triggers attraction without crossing boundaries, then stay with me because these 5 words will change the way women respond to you immediately. Welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here because today's video isn't just another dating hack, another cheap line, or another list of random tips. No, what we're diving into today is something far deeper, something grounded in real psychology, emotional intelligence, and Stoic philosophy. The idea is simple. Your words shape the way people feel around you. Your language influences the energy you project. Your communication defines the emotional experience you create. Most men walk through life speaking without awareness, without intention, without emotional intelligence. They talk at women instead of with women. They say too much or too little. They speak from insecurity, neediness, or ego, not from clarity or calm confidence. And because of that, they lose attraction before they even realize it. But the Stoics had a principle. Control begins with your tongue. Your ability to choose words consciously gives you control over your inner world and over the way other people experience you. That's why certain men, even without money or status, naturally attract women. It's because they understand something most people don't. Attraction is a psychological response, not a financial measurement. It happens when a woman feels something meaningful around you, not when she sees your possessions. Today's video is about those 5 words that create that emotional shift. These words are powerful because they communicate strength without aggression. They create emotional safety without appearing needy. They awaken curiosity without trying too hard. They show presence, confidence, and intention. They bypass logical thinking and go straight to her subconscious mind. But here's the catch. These words work only when they come from a grounded, calm, centered place. They work when you embody the tone behind them. They work when you speak slowly, clearly, and with a sense of certainty. So before we go into the 5 words, here's what I want you to understand. Every word you speak should come from a man who knows who he is, not a man who's trying to prove himself. Women feel that difference instantly, and once you understand that the right words can shift her entire emotional state, that's when you start attracting without forcing, impressing without performing, and connecting without pretending. So let's dive into the heart of this video. The 5 words that trigger natural attraction in a woman's mind. Word number 1, I appreciate you. These 3 words are powerful on their own, but when spoken with presence, calmness, and sincerity, they hit deeper than compliments like, you're beautiful, or you look nice today. Why? Because appreciation touches identity, not appearance. It tells her, I see who you are, not just how you look. Psychologically, women crave emotional recognition, the feeling that someone notices their effort, their kindness, their energy, their personality. When you say, I appreciate you, you're validating her inner world, not just her outer beauty. Most men only comment on surface-level things. You're cute, you're hot, you're gorgeous. But appreciation signals maturity. It signals emotional intelligence. It signals that you are not like other men who only see her externally. Example, she helps you with something small. She listens to you. She shares an idea. She makes time for you. You simply say, I appreciate you. No over-explanation, no dramatic tone, just calm presence. Women remember the men who appreciate them because so few do. Word number 2, take your time. This is one of the most attractive phrases a man can use. Why? Because it communicates patience. It communicates zero pressure. It communicates emotional control. Women are extremely sensitive to pressure, texting pressure, timing pressure, decision pressure, emotional pressure. When a man makes her feel rushed or cornered, attraction collapses. But when you say, take your time, you are telling her, I am not needy. I respect your pace. I trust the process. I'm grounded, not insecure. This phrase works in almost any situation. She takes time to reply. Take your time. She's deciding something. Take your time. She feels stressed or overwhelmed. Take your time. This phrase removes pressure, and when pressure is removed, attraction grows naturally. Word number 3, I'm listening to you. Not I hear you, not yeah, okay, not passive nodding, I'm listening to you. Women are deeply attracted to men who listen because genuine listening is rare. Most men wait to talk. Most men listen only to respond. But a man who listens to understand, that's a man who stands out. Psychologically, listening triggers trust, emotional closeness, safety, warmth, connection. When a woman feels heard, she opens up. She becomes softer. She becomes more expressive. And emotionally expressive women become emotionally invested. This phrase shows presence. It shows calm. It shows stability. These qualities are extremely attractive because they signal a man who is in control of himself, the foundation of masculine energy. Number 4, I respect your boundaries. This one is incredibly powerful and incredibly rare. Most men try to push boundaries. Come on, it's not a big deal. Why not? Just do it. But a man who respects boundaries is a man who communicates maturity, self-control, high self-worth, emotional intelligence, security. When you say, I respect your boundaries, something profound happens in her psychology. She feels safe and women become attracted inside safety, not danger. Example, she's not ready for something yet. You simply say, I respect your boundaries. It makes her trust you more. It makes her comfortable with you. It makes her open up more. Ironically, boundaries respected often lead to boundaries lowered. Word number 5, I choose you calmly. This is the deepest phrase of all. Not I need you, not I can't live without you, not I'm afraid of losing you, but I choose you calmly. The word choose communicates intention, not desperation. The word calmly communicates control, not chaos. This phrase hits emotionally because it expresses its signals that you are choosing her, not chasing her. Choosing her, not depending on her. Choosing her, not clinging to her. This is the type of energy women crave, a man who wants her but doesn't need her to feel whole. This phrase is magnetic because it feels adult, grounded, stable, and emotionally aware. Before you go, let me leave you with something important. Attraction is not created through tricks, games, manipulation, or pickup tactics. Attraction is created through presence, through the way you show up, the way you speak, the energy behind your words, and the calmness in your tone. The 5 words you learned today are not magic spells. They are reflections of your emotional maturity. When you say, I appreciate you, take your time, I'm listening, I respect your boundaries, I choose you calmly. You're speaking from a place of inner strength, not insecurity. And that inner strength is the real source of attraction. So here's your next step. Practice speaking with intention. Practice speaking with calmness. Practice speaking with emotional awareness. Women, feel everything. Your tone, your energy, your intention. And when you combine the right words with the right mindset, you naturally become the man they feel drawn to. If you found value in this video, support the channel by liking it and tell me in the comments which of these 5 phrases felt the most powerful to you and what topic should I break down next. Your suggestions shape the next video. Thank you for watching. Stay centered, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next